Drive Clean Chicago's Drive Clean Truck program was created to help provide incentives to Chicago area, not-for-profits, businesses, and local governments to purchase or lease more efficient hybrid or electric Class 2 through Class 8 vehicles. Drive Clean Truck helped Alpha Baking purchase these electric trucks by providing a discount on the purchase price for the vehicles.
We've been able to put together a fleet of electric vehicles, and it was our decision to pursue a diversified fleet, one that would be basically powered by different sustainable alternative energy sources. And we look to grow our alternative energy fleet. By doing that, we will continue to clean up Chicago and make the environment cleaner for everybody.
Driving an electric truck versus driving a diesel truck, the electric truck, there is no sound and you don't end up with a diesel smell, and it's actually comforting to drive.
Our relationship with Alpha Baking goes back a long way. They are the premier bakery for hot dog and hamburger buns for commercial restaurants in the city of Chicago. The electric trucks are great, especially for being in a neighborhood. We have neighbors that live right across our alley, and you don't even hear the trucks coming, and the only time you really hear them is when they're backing up, and that's for safety purposes. We want to be good for the environment. We want to be good, responsible business here in Chicago. I would say to another company that's interested in working with companies that are promoting green and electric trucks or whatever, that it's a good thing. It's good for business, it's good for the public, it's just good all around.
You would never guess this, but eating a Chicago hot dog can help the environment because you are supporting local businesses who have made investments and chosen to be greener and cleaner and help our communities be more sustainable.
I'm proud of the work of Drive Clean Chicago and its partners. Projects such as these serve as tremendous examples of how public-private partnerships can reduce emissions, improve air quality, and create a healthier environment for all of us. Chicago is leading on the way of climate change and more sustainable future for all Chicagoans. If you want more information about how to be a leader and how to help us keep our environment clean and grow the economy, visit drivecleanchicago.com.